Hello and welcome. If you're looking into engineering colleges, you've come to the right place. Today we're taking a close look at Adhi College of Engineering and Technology. It's located in Walajabad, near Kancheepuram, and its TNEA code, you'll want to remember this, is 1233. Let's see what this college is all about.
Alright, so what's the big picture here? There are three key things you really need to know about this college. First, it's affiliated with Anna University, which is a big stamp of quality. Second, its location is a major plus. It's right in the Walajabad industrial corridor. And third, admissions are done through TNEA, which means it's a merit-based system. These are the fundamentals we'll be exploring.
So, with those highlights in mind, let's dig a little deeper. We're going to start with the college's core identity. Where it comes from and what it's built on.
Okay, this slide gives you the essential facts in one place. It's a self-financing college, started back in 2008, and as we mentioned, it's under Anna University. That UGC recognition is important. It's a quality check. Now, for parents and students looking at admissions, this is key. 65% of the seats are filled through government TNEA counseling, and the remaining 35% are through the management quota.
Every college has a guiding principle, and this is Adhi College's. It's all about adaptability and lifelong learning. In the world of engineering where things change so fast, having this kind of mindset is absolutely crucial for success. It tells you a lot about the college's culture.
Right. A college's philosophy is one thing, but what can you actually study there? Let's get into the specifics of the engineering programs on offer. This is where you see what your options are. Every year, there are a total of 540 seats available for new engineering students. This number gives you a good sense of the size of each batch and the kind of community you'll be a part of. So where do these 540 seats go?
Here's the breakdown. You've got the big three: computer science, ECE, and mechanical, each with an intake of 120 students. Then you have the other important branches like electrical and electronics, civil, and the very popular artificial intelligence and data science. Each of those takes in 60 students. It's a solid mix of traditional and modern engineering fields.
And it's worth pointing this one out specifically. Offering a BTech in artificial intelligence and data science shows that the college is keeping up with what the industry wants. For students, this is a direct path into one of the fastest-growing fields in technology today.
Let's be honest, for most students and parents, this is the bottom line. What happens after the 4 years? What about jobs? So now, we'll dive into the really critical topic of placements and the companies that hire from campus. If you're aiming for a career in IT or software, this is what you want to see. You have the big names like TCS, Wipro, and Infosys, which hire in large numbers. But you also see a top product company like Zoho in the mix. That's a great sign, showing there are opportunities in both services and product development.
And it's definitely not just about IT. Remember that location in the Walajabad industrial hub? This is where it really pays off. You see major core companies from automotive and manufacturing like Renault, Nissan, Siemens, and Foxconn recruiting from here. This is fantastic news for mechanical, electrical, and electronic students.
Okay, let's switch gears and talk about where you'll be spending those 4 years. The campus itself, the environment, and the facilities available really do shape your entire college experience.
The library is often the heart of a college, right? Well, here, students have access to nearly 29,000 books. That's a huge academic resource right at your fingertips for all your research and coursework.
The college also has a pretty big auditorium with space for 1,200 people. Having a facility this large is great for hosting big college events, tech symposiums, and cultural festivals that bring everyone together.
And life isn't all about academics, is it? The college provides the essentials for a balanced experience. There are separate hostels for boys and girls right on campus. If you're interested in service and leadership, there are active groups for NSS, NCC, and Youth Red Cross. And for sports fans, you've got courts for volleyball, basketball, and football.
All right, in our final section, we're going to cover the really practical stuff, how you get in, and what kind of financial support is available. Just to make it crystal clear, here's the admission breakdown again. The main route into the college for 65% of students is through merit-based TNEA counseling. The other 35% of seats are filled through the management quota.
Now, for many families, this is a really important question. The college helps students access several government scholarships. These are available for different categories of students, whether it's for SC/ST and BC/MBC communities, first-generation graduates, or students with disabilities. It's all about making an engineering education more affordable and accessible.
Just a quick note before we finish up. All the information we've shared today has been carefully gathered from the college's official website and government portals at the time we put this together. And that wraps up our look at Adhi College of Engineering and Technology. We hope this has given you a clearer picture to help with your college decisions. To continue your research, you can explore more engineering colleges at profsem.com, your true source for 12 to engineering decisions. Thanks for watching, and all the best.